Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon in less than 2 minutes. To start, I'm going to section out the middle part of the hair, leaving diagonal side sections free for the moment. So taking that middle section, I'm just going to pop it into a low ponytail using an elastic band. Now take that left hand section from the side and we're going to bring it over the top of the ponytail and then wrap it underneath, bringing it to the opposite side. Hold in place and secure with a clear elastic band. And we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So bring it over the top of the ponytail, wrap it underneath, bringing it to the opposite side, hold in place and secure with another elastic band. Now we're going to pop another band about halfway down the ponytail, and then with those end sections we're just going to braid it using a regular 3-strand braid, again tying it off with an elastic band. Now we're just going to roll this braid underneath and keep rolling it until you meet the nape of the neck. Hold that chignon in place and we're just going to slip a bobby pin through the centre on either side. Now push this chignon towards the head and secure it all along the bottom with as many bobby pins as needed. Then push the side sections towards the head and again secure with bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.